Okay, got chat up. Let's fix something here. Right. All right, there we go. Save. Okay, I think we're good. All right. Day 4. Let's get this done. Let's go a little bit faster this time. So we are on Meet Sabrina. I know I've missed some stuff, but yeah, like flowers, that's totally fine. I can add those later. Okay, that's where we are. We're on the contact us, accordion titles. Let's preview it. Look at how that plant comes out. Let's fix that. That's a simple fix. Take this, clip it on the. There you go. Nice. Okay, good start. Let's keep going. So we have this. Okay, so this is going to be 3 column. I don't see this component being used anywhere else, so I'm just going to give it its own class name. We're just going to call it publicity photos. Yeah, she's busy.
What's up?
For the publicity photos,
Yeah,
there's just 2 of them, right?
correct.
Okay, so if they click on these photos, they download them or something?
So when they hover over the image, it says a hover state of download.
Okay. All right. So I'll need a download icon on hover. All right, that's fine. Publicity photos. Let's export them. This one. What? Okay. Export. This one. Export. Let's go ahead and. Oh, yeah. If you're in chat, say hi. Hi. I don't know how to say your name, but welcome. Jay, welcome back. Oh, I still need to respond to your DM, your latest one. I got busy. But yeah, thanks for being here. Yeah, if you want to learn something or have any questions, by all means, ask away. This is your time. Content grid. Why did I do a grid? Oh, I didn't know what to call this, huh? Let's call this content to call grid. Because I only need that. Okay. Interesting. Wix looks so good right now? Tell me more. What's new with Wix? Okay, so this one just need publicity photos grid. And this will be 3. Again, I like grid over Flexbox. That's just my jam. That's my style. I believe I'll pick Webflow, so watching this could be useful. Okay. Cool. All right, so we're working on this. Are they different sizes? 401. Why aren't they all the same size? I mean, it's close enough. 397, 401. So I'm just going to make them both 400 on the sides. And the middle can be whatever. So let's go ahead and max 400 pixels. And this could be whatever else. Okay, cool. All right, so first photo. I thought I uploaded the photos. 1, 2. So first one is far away. Second one, div there for now. This one's close up. All right, cool. I don't know if I have to put a class name on those. I'm not going to do one until I really need to. All right, so this middle one, called content. So this is not really vertically aligned centered. So, I mean, I can say the text is centered and it's green in the background. Yeah, dark green. Then I have this herb. Let's put that in. Huh? Herb. Let's go ahead and clip it just in case I need to do something with it, but let's add an image, herb, place in the bottom, no. Contain, there we go. Interesting. Okay, we'll do that. Yeah, the cover, that's not gonna work because it has to have that weird blending stuff. That means it has to be position absolute. Can I just put the image and blend it? Effects. There we go. Okay, so we need to put this at the bottom. So I'm going to use position absolute, push it to the bottom. All right. Whoa, a bit smaller. Why? Okay, let's see, 100% width. But then I need to push it for some reason this much. All right. And that's why we need the clip right here. So that way, you can see how it's running into this. It's not gonna overlap this. So that's good. All right. Let's put a div here. And I think this right here is already position text align center, so that's good. We need 2 pieces of text, so I'm just going to give this H2. Was this H2? Nope, H3. So I'm going to give it H3. This is called publicity photos. Publicity photos. And this should be white. Then after that, we have a piece of text that just says photos by Isabel. And I can't click on this, I don't know why. There we go. Right. This is 18. All right. I think that's fine. Oh, 16. It looks better like that. All right, let's push this down. Cool. I feel like this needs to be bigger. Should it be bigger? None. Something like that. All right. Moving on. That one's it. What's with this little white pixel right here? Is that the image? Yeah, that's the image. Fix it later. Move on. Okay, this is 2-column. I think I could use the same grid as that. So let's duplicate this. There we go. Here I have it blue. Let's duplicate that and call it red. And this one is that's darker red. So let's get dark red. Same flowers, cool. Documents. Placeholder text. We're good. I'm gonna override her because if this is left aligned, this should be left aligned as well. Then a bunch of bullets. I'm gonna use rich text block. Let's delete that. Don't need accordions. Content. Grid call to red. There. Rich text. Ooh. Delete that. Paste that. Yeah, if I'm going too fast, let me know. But or if you have questions on what I'm doing and why I'm doing the way I'm doing it, let me know. I'll be happy to answer that in chat. But this is how fast I go once the design is done. Bullet. Let's see here. This is like centered. I don't know if it needs to be. So we'll just use margin. I'm gonna say 84 and 80. There we go. Space these out. So all unloaded lists, let's flex it down and give it a gap of like, there we go. Cool. Need to learn how to start everything. Probably saving styles or class definitions could help me later. I mean, people use frameworks, but it's up to your preference. But I try to name everything as simple as possible. I don't use frameworks, and maybe I'm doing it wrong. But I think using frameworks is just you're working with someone else's way of doing things versus doing the way that makes sense to you. So you're adhering to someone else's playbook rather than building your own. And so I've built my own over time. Sure, it won't work for everyone, but it works for me and it helps me go quick. But also I'm always thinking about, like, in the future, like, what if they have to hire someone else to maintain the site? I want to make sure that I make the class names as simple as possible. that makes sense. So yeah. Okay, gonna have to do these. Wait, are the links here? Oh, but they're coming from her WordPress site, so I have to download these. Okay. Ooh, this is gonna take a while. Link type. All right, so I'm still wondering, how come in Webflow for rich text block, you can do link type, you can choose a page, and then click here. And this is a search box. I can search for like anything that is a static page or even a dynamic page. Like these are dynamic pages right here, book of words and stuff like that. So if I search for like, say, Holt, I can link that directly to that CMS page. However, if I try to put a text, say put a text link, right? Or a button, look at the link settings. It's different than rich text. So if I say, okay, I want a page, choose a page, I cannot search. I cannot search for a static or a dynamic page. I have clients that have like 50 static pages, and I have to scroll until I find the exact static page. If I want to link to a CMS page, I have to open up the CMS, find the link in the collection, and then copy that, and then paste it into here. I don't know how to be a software engineer. I know there's a lot of work, but in my mind, it's already here. The thing is already here. Take this and move it to this. Just saying. Yeah. Right, back on it. Let's see here. Inline text link should be. Wait. Oh yeah. Did I upload the thing? No, I did not. I think I'll do the links later. So this link type is link type. I cannot link it to. Okay, check this out. This is why I'm laughing. Let me put back text link. All right, see here the paperclip. I can link it to a file, like a PDF file. Choose attachment. Boom. Now it's linked. See that paperclip? Cool. We go to the rich text block, double click the link. I want to choose the link type to not external link, not a page, not a section, not an email, not a phone. So what do I got to do? So I got to go here, and then I got to click on this, and then I got to copy link. Now it's in my clipboard. Take this link type, paste that in there, open new. Yeah, I'm not going to take time on this stream to link all of these just yet. I'll do it later. But yeah. All right, so these two sections, and we're done with this page. And then got to make it responsive. Easy, easy, easy. All right, so unwrap, and look at that. Cool. Let's make it responsive. Tablet. Oh God. All right, not too bad. Not too bad. Why is it doing this? let's take this and say one column. Okay, yeah. And then we'll take this and let's just add some space. Say 64. Cool, we're there. And let's take out the flowers. Don't need them on tablet. Cool. All right. So we're doing good there. Let's go mobile. Doing good there. And then this mobile. Ugh. Yeah. Let's fix that. I agree. In design, I save typeface and colors first. Yeah, you start with that. Just start with your variables and just work your way through slowly. Don't have to rush. There we go. Cool. Oh, what happened there? Okay. Let's go back to desktop. All right, we're good here. Tablet. We're good here. Mobile. All H1s. Then go here. I feel like all H1s need to be smaller. Oh, that's why. They're all... So again, I'm gonna guess. Okay. Okay, that looks good. Nice. Cool. All right, making progress. Making progress. Okay, so this is image, text, and this should be image. So this should always be first. There we go. And I feel like the padding is way too big. So here, the padding's way too big. Let's make it half the size. We go here, half the size is fine. Go here, and we're good. I feel like this right here needs to be smaller. It's fine here, but on mobile, let's make it smaller. So this right here, let's just go for 12 all around. Okay. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. This is fine. Actually, this should be smaller. So it's fine here, but then when we go here, it should be smaller. All right, that's cool. And let's make sure I didn't mess up the home page. Okay. Cool. Meet Sabrina. I think Meet Sabrina's done. Actually, if this is going to be 12, this, oh, I didn't get to here yet. All right, we're good there. We're good here. We're not good here. There we go. All right, let's fix this. What's going on? Oh, yeah, there's so much space here. So go back to tablet. We don't need that much space. 100? Ugh. 100 on all sides. There we go. Do that. And then this one right here. Let's copy it. There we go. 32 on all sides. Now it looks better. Feeling good. Then we go here. Feeling good. Sweet. All right, moving on to the next one. So we have these. Okay, so this is not looking good. So let's go ahead and just drop it to one column. All right. what sizes are you using for each breakpoint? Webflow has set sizes. You cannot change the size. You cannot customize breakpoint sizes. So right here, as you can see, you have anything that's over. So it says right here, affects 991 pixels and below. So anything over 991 pixels and above is desktop. And then you have tablet, which, as you can see here, as I hover, hello, there we go. So 767 on down, 478 on down. And how I deal with things in between is just I'm using more fluid numbers or percentages. So yeah. All right. So this grid right here. I don't want to make it full width. I wonder if I can do ratio. Do landscape and cover top. Okay, I know what's going on. It's because I have these. So I'm going to set to 1 FR. Each column is 1 FR. How come this isn't going landscape? All right. What's going on? Webflow bug? Let's see. Refresh. No, it's not a Webflow bug. Probably me. Let me delete that and see what happens. One FR. One FR. Okay, cool. Now if I delete column 1 and column 2. Do I make this 100 width? Interesting how I set 100 width and look at the ratio actually works. So if I delete that 100 width, this ratio doesn't seem to affect it. But then when I do this, it does. Weird, but okay. Let's take this and say 200. No, I don't like it. I say this should be first. Put this to the top because that's like a header. There we go. And then we get the photos because this is introducing what's coming up later rather than you see a random photo and you're like, what is this photo? As you're scrolling down. So it's publicity photos. Oh, okay, there's one photo, there's another. Now this makes me think they could be side by side and they could be more of a portrait. So I'm going to take this grid and just add another column. I'm going to take this content and give it a span of 2 column span. And now it comes out looking like that because we have some space to play with. And so there you go. Much better. So I have a 2x2 grid right here. But then this right here, I set it to first in the order. And I column span that 2 columns, which then pushes image 2 down. And there we go. And I don't want to call it image 2. I want to call it publicity photos image. Makes more sense. And there we go. J, awesome. So no 1920 by 1080 manual setup. I discovered that one. 1440 and 1024 are pretty common. Then tablet and mobile. Yeah, there's no really breakpoint setup. Webflow sets up the main 4 breakpoints for you. If you need ultra wide, then what you do is you can go here and add a large breakpoint and go even higher. And so what's weird is that CSS usually works from desktop on down. But with extra large breakpoints, now it goes desktop and up and desktop on down. And it gets kind of confusing because it's usually cascading style sheets, always cascades down. But now with extra large breakpoints, it's now cascading up and down. Yeah. All right. So there we go. Still looks good on mobile. Let's go to yeah, it still looks fine. We can make this smaller too. We can say 60. There we go. Cool. We're done with that one. Moving on down. Documents. Isn't this the... Oh. On the blue version, I've set 32 on all of them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete that. And then delete the blue and say 32 on all sides. Then put back blue. So that way it's affecting both the blue and the red. Okay, right here. Let's say 32, copy it. Check mobile, good to go. This mobile, and we're good to go. And yeah, so we're done with this page. Moving on to the next one. All right, we're gonna go awards and accolades. So let's go ahead and duplicate this. And this is under about. So I'm just gonna call it awards. Create. There we go. All right. Awards and accolades. We'll take this, export it. Replace. Replace. Thank you. Extra. Read all about Sabrina's accolades here. All right, there we go. And there's no text, so I'm going to delete it like that. I spelled the words wrong. There we go. Preview it. Okay, cool. I don't know if that's the best H1, but we can always change it later. Okay, so this is different. I'll deal with that later. So we're going to move this up after the hero. Oh no. Just need to delete these. Cool. Oh, okay, book awards. This is what we're dealing with. All right. Interesting. I have to... Okay, so this hero section is duplicated. But this should be a H2. Interesting. Yeah, static motion. Kev, tell me more about it. What do you love about Wix Studio that's bringing you more towards it? I need to use it more. But yeah, Jay has been using it, and he said he's having issues making things responsive. The thing I don't understand is when they try to make things responsive for you. Yeah, I know they're trying to save you some steps, but sometimes that hinders progress rather than help. But that's just my opinion. I could be using it wrong. Well, yeah, tell me more. Okay, this should be H2. And we don't need the top. This one, Book Awards. All right. Don't need that. We have the line. What do I want to do? And I'm looking at this. Because Webflow has limitations on nested collections. Well, let's try it. So what I'm going to do is let's go ahead and put a collection. We call it a book. Oh, let's call it awards. Collection is wrapper. This is going to connect to book awards. Oh, she has one career award. That's what it is. Okay, book awards. To respond. Yeah. Yeah, so Wix tries to save you some steps, but then is it really saving you time? So that's the thing that kind of confused me when they have like that feature like, we'll do the responsiveness for you. And it's like, okay, cool. But wait. Awards collection list. And this one will be grid, 3-column, and each one is gonna be each one is gonna be a accordion. So we've made accordions before. Maybe I can pull in accordion from the Meet Sabrina, so I don't have to redo it. Yeah. Oh, but this is kind of different. It's okay. Let's put it there. All right. Ooh, let's get more spacing around. Let's say 32. No, 64. Yeah, 64 is better. All right, so here we're gonna bring in the award year. There we go, and we need to do filter award year. Oh, not filter, sort. Award year, largest to smallest. There we go. But oh, did I set up this collection wrong? I know. Ooh. Oh no. Award year is just a number. Does award year need to be its own collection?
Can it be a toggle?
Oh no. I usually use viewport width, viewport height with Wix, and it holds good through breakpoints. Oh, okay. The grid system is great, makes life so much easier, but I also really like Webflow. I started on Webflow, so I use both. Hey, you know what? All it is just tools. And so whatever works for you, and the more tools you have in your tool bag, the better. So that way you give the best solution to your clients rather than saying, oh, I only use one thing. Because that's what I'm doing right now. And I need to learn other things but so far all of my clients have been Webflow because that's what I post on my YouTube channel for over a decade. That's what they know me from. And so they're going to ask me for Webflow help. But for anyone who's new, it's like, hey, you know what? Not only can I do Webflow, but if you need Wix, I'm there for you. Or if you need Framer, I'm there for you. Or all these other platforms that are coming up. Oh, I have to create. Oh no. Oh no. How do I do this? Okay, I know what to do. Book award years. This is what I gotta do. How many years do we got? We got 98 all the way to 2017. She has nothing in 2024. What?
She should.
She should?
Yeah.
Am I missing content?
Hold on.
Oh no.
Yeah, because you were probably were you pulling from our website?
Yeah, I was pulling from a website.
Yeah, they gave us a new doc. I didn't know that. I remember we downloaded the new doc. There's a new doc on there.
Can you show me where the new dog is?
Sure.
Oh no.
It's not bad.
Okay, well,
It's just 4 more years, I think. That's it. It's not
Yeah.
crazy.
Okay. She has so many awards. I mean, it's a great thing for her, but for being the web developer, it's like, oh no, you have so much data. Let's put this up here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is the collection. What's going in my head is that the collection, this collection, should be pulling from book award years, so that way I can get just the years, and then I'm going to nest a collection inside that shows awards for that year. What I'm scared of, and hello Adam, welcome, great to see you too. What I'm scared of is if there's any with more than 5, like here, 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is a Webflow limitation. So some years have more than 5, and I won't be able to show it. So I'll only show the first 5. We can tell her that Webflow's working on it. Yeah, because then we would have to do the same thing as book series. Like, hey, view all awards for this year, and so now we have to make a new page. Yeah. Does she mind? Do you think she would mind?
I personally, I would mind.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind either.
No, I would.
Oh, you would?
Well, you worked your ass off, and then
That's
you
true.
can't. We might have to do. We have to talk her through it with her.
Yeah.
I don't want to assume anything. We have to talk to her.
Yeah. Let's. I think the backup is click here if you want to see all awards for this year.
Yeah.
And there it is. Webflow limitation. Webflow did say that they're going to fix this. But when? When are they going to fix this? Because nested collections will only show up to 5. Unless they up that limitation. I don't know. It'd be nice if they already fix it.
Question.
Answer.
When are you done?
Okay.
When are you done?
Oh, that's the question. 3:45?
We gotta leave at
3:45. Yeah.
Are you dressed?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay.
All right. Missing content and too much data is the name of the game. Dealt with that today on both ends. Oof. Sorry to hear that. Hopefully it didn't hurt too much. So here's what I gotta do. I'm gonna download this. Okay, and then we're gonna go into Webflow or Google Sheets and import it. Upload. All right. Yeah, don't need this, don't need that, none of that. Delete the word year. Okay. Let's make the years first. What year are we starting? Oop. Nope. How do I... Sort. There we go. So 98. Why draft? No. Publish. Oh, this is going to be the most exciting part of this stream. And so now I got to press back. New. 1999. Create. Publish. Go back. There used to be a thing where like, oops, you can just press create and then you can make a new one without having to press back. But yeah. Oh, yeah. So how's your day? Like you can press enter. Oh, I pressed enter and it saved it as draft. No, I want to queue to publish. The most exciting part of the stream. There we go. There we go. Could I have done this faster? Like, probably by importing a CSV that just has years. Probably. But too late now. Back and forth. Back and forth. Almost there, everyone. Have you tried Visual DI? There's so like nested collections work for this kind of thing sometimes. That's the thing, man. Like I tried nested collections and even with FinSuite, and it confused the F out of me because you have to create a like this blank page and then Ajax pulls it in, and I'm like, I'm so confused. Maybe I'll try it again. But man, like thinking about nested collections with FinSuite gives me anxiety. Yeah. And hello, Visual Div. Is this Matt or Alan? How's it going? I'm almost done. Come on. So close. And what if I'm doing it the wrong way? That's what I'm scared of right now. What if I'm... I need to do a blog from scratch, and this is scaring me. Well, you can import data. So export it out of Webflow and then import it into export it out of WordPress and then import it into Webflow. However, before you when you're exporting out of WordPress, you have to make sure that you're only exporting the things that you need, because WordPress plugins add so much bloat to the database, so much that you don't need. And it's like, ugh. So you have to clean it up before you actually bring it into Webflow. But that's where ChatGPT and all these other AI tools come in, because what I did for this client, I was like, remove all the WordPress short codes or short tags, remove XYZ from this CSV. And so it did a lot of cleaning up for me. So it's really cool that in AI, you can upload a CSV and say, clean this up for me, do this and that, and it'll do it for you. Sometimes it errors out. Sometimes it doesn't do it exactly how you want it, but a couple of fiddling around. We'll fix it. Did we finish? Yes, we did. Congrats, everyone. We did it. Now's the moment of truth. Did I do it correctly? So, let's go ahead and download here. Book awards. Download it again as a CSV. There we go. And so book awards, select it all and delete it. Select it all and delete it. Right, now I'm going to import it back in. Yes, this is the header. So for the award year, I'm going to create a new field and I'm going to give it a reference. And we'll just name it award year 2 for now. And this is going to go here. There we go. Should be good to go. Import it all. Alan, what's up? Thank you so much for joining. Adam, I mean, oh no. I dealt with this in a previous project. Look. Unique values already in the database. But I deleted all that stuff. You saw me delete it. So it's still, even though you delete CMS stuff, the slug is still hanging out somewhere inside of Webflow that you can't see. So these slugs right here, like, it's still here. Even if I refresh, if I save, it's still here. So I think I have to duplicate this page, this site, and hope that the slugs don't carry over. I think that's how I solved the problem before. Ugh. All right, hold on. Let me hide my screen real quick. I'm gonna do that. Site settings, duplicate. We'll send you an email when it's done. It's already done. Let me move it. PG client, save, open site. All right, so this is the new. All right, Adam. I mean, it doesn't mean you, but somehow I've gotten to work with big clients. Yeah, congrats. Loading. Okay, so this is the copy. So if I import, create new field, reference, award year 3. Oh no. Existing field, award year 2. 1998 doesn't exist in book award years. Hello? Then what is this? Then what is this? Create new field. No, map existing field. Award year 2. And now it shows it. There's no error here. Okay, well, import. Cross your fingers. There we go. So what did we learn, friends? when you delete CMS items inside of Webflow, the slugs still exist somewhere inside of your project. Even though you deleted them, the slugs cannot be reused. The only way to get around this either a bug or something is make a copy of the whole project and continue on from there, from the copy, because the first one still has those slugs. All right, moving on. So we're all good there. Did I do this wrong? Am I supposed to put... I'm wondering if I'm supposed to put the books in this collection rather than point this to here. I think I did it backwards, but we'll see. Book awards. Okay, let's disconnect the property so I can change it to book award years. And this block is the name, which is the year. And in here, I want to put another collection. And this, yeah, I did it wrong. I need to put a multi-reference. Okay, so the books go in here. When I import it though, we'll see. Multi-reference. Okay, we do that. Save. I feel like I just have to do this manually. That's not gonna be fun. Let me just do 1 year. Ugh. Okay. So 1998. Oh, geez. How do I know which one? Oh, God. Ugh. Which one? I can't search by slug. Oh, man. Yeah. I'd have to skip this for now. Yeah. Yeah, it doesn't have any. The only one with it is this. Oh, I need to get the accordion content. Oh no, I don't need it. Chimantix. Chamix, welcome. I have to leave, but this session was very useful and scary. Yeah. It's just a lot of just fiddling around. But thanks for just stopping by, Jay. All right. Let's just put a piece of text here for now. And this is going to be the award. And I think this should have the book too. Another piece of text. Yep, I can put the book. Cool. Book title. Cool. Is that the right one? Nope, it's not. Oh. Okay, gonna have to fix the data. But for now, we'll just leave it as is. I don't know if the words need to be centered. Years need to be centered. All right, you advanced a lot. That's amazing. You say that, and at the same time, I feel like I still don't know what I'm doing. All right. Yep, tablet. It's a lot of words. Tablet. That's a good spacing. This one, let's make it smaller. And then this one, let's make it. Yeah, there we go. Alan sent me something. Oh! Visual DX Nest will help you with latest project. Visual DX CMS Nest. All right, Alan. Uh-huh. Okay. Yeah, understanding it. Yep. You just need to do custom attributes. Wait, and that's it? Wait, can you have more than... See, that's only 5. That's only 4. Can you have more than 5 items? If so, oh my god. If you're here, Alan, then you've saved my life. Oh, we can fix the series page. Hey, love? There might be a solution for the CMS if this thing works. Awards and the book series.
I kind of like the book series being its own thing.
Okay. Oh, last time I checked, you were still petting that bird. Yeah, on the stream, I went like this on the Duke. I was like, you know what? Let me change the cursor to a grab, and that way, when I hover over the bird, hover over the bird, I'm like, I'm petting it. Can we keep it? Little Easter egg. Yeah. Yay! Okay, cool.
Once again, wrong.
You're wrong.
I'm just saying.
Again, this is just first pass.
I can't help it.
Yeah,
I do it with my other friends.
Okay.
Too, dude. But then I do the preface. Can I be a stickler? Well, because it's you, I don't feel like.
Can I be your wife? Yeah. Well,
well, technically we're.
Technically,
work spouses.
yeah, we are. Technically,
No,
we are work spouses.
My other friend.
Oh yeah. Oh, there's so much space here. It's because of. Okay, well.
Yes, Duke.
Kick-ass Duke. So okay, you haven't seen this yet, but thoughts on keeping it at the bottom? Because like the reason why is because if I put it at the top, now you have double bird.
I know.
And so it's like, do you delete one bird or do you show the second bird on scroll? But it's like, you know what? On mobile, just keep it at the bottom. Keep it simple.
It's different.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Especially
on the client.
Yeah. Well, see what the client likes. Ugh. I haven't gone to mobile yet.
I know my
still
old
here.
portfolio site had the menu at the bottom.
Yeah. All right, what else is here? All right, that's it.
What
Cool.
were you showing me?
I was showing you petting the bird.
Oh, I thought you talked about the awards and how we could have a workaround.
Oh, so this is the workaround. So that's Alan. He's watching right
Hi,
now.
Alan.
Hi, Alan. And he says that like this will fix the issue because like FinSuite have their own version of how to add more items in a CSS nest, but it was like so confusing. It scared me.
Oh, that makes sense.
So this
Does it
one,
affect load time?
I don't think so. We can try it.
Okay, because we've done it where like we put so many items that the load time just was horrendous.
If it works, I'm gonna buy him a beer. Yeah, why not?
Why not? Pretty cute.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, I got 10 minutes left, y'all, and we can make this. I think this is good. This is good. That's good. So, yeah, 10 more minutes. Can I finish one page in 10 minutes? No, I can't because it's all the videos. We don't have. Do we have the data for all the videos? Oh, we're gonna have to pull those. Oh, yar. Is that under news or appearances? No. Oh, it's okay. Okay, we'll just leave that for there for now. This site has so much data. My God. All right, so let's go ahead and duplicate this and call it news. Is it under about or oh, it's under news. Wait. Oh, this is video interviews. Hold on. Oh, so we don't need this collection. It's supposed to be under interviews right here. Okay, got it. One thing I have a problem with is I added custom element in the form, but couldn't add its data to the form with name and phone. I'm not sure how that's working. Oh, Alan saying that Nest yes, it's unlimited. Message if you need support. I'm off to bed. All right, good night, Alan. Thank you so much. Cool, I'm gonna try that after I fix the data. Oh my gosh. Okay, so interviews are there. I can just... So this is about video interviews, but yet the heading says in the news. I think this is incorrect. Duplicate. This is gonna be video interviews. About interviews. Oh yeah, why did the weight? What the? Yo, the weight changed. We had it at 375 and look how thick it is right now. And the font is wrong. Wait, why am I... Hello? Oh, because this is a copy and the fonts didn't get uploaded. Wait, installed fonts. I have to re-upload them, whatever. Okay, small things. It's small. It's a small thing, isn't it? It's okay. All right. So this one, export. Let's upload it first. There you go. Replace with this. Replace with this. Thank you. Get to know Sabrina. Just leave it at that. And then it's just a simple 3-column collection list. All right, I could do that later. It doesn't have, yeah, it's so much easier. It doesn't have this review section. It's just straight on this. And by the way, the vibe on this design is great. The small details add so much. Yep. And I'm going to show this again. What happened to the other flower? Why is it up? What the? So I added a little animation. I want it like pretend there's a slight wind.
You talking to me?
Nope.
Okay.
And yeah, so they're moving. I'm wondering if I add this to all the flowers. But yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of still details I need to add to it as far as hover effects, but like an FYI, where are my flowers on this side, but yet the published version, the flowers are here. Yes, flower. No flower. Don't get it. All right. Video interviews is going to be 3-column. So I can just delete this. It's much more simpler, yeah. So I don't even need this. I can just go straight to the container. Oh, I don't even need a container. I can just do a new section with section padding and a container inside of it. This goes above there. And then we'll have a collection, and this one is going to be video or interviews. There we go. Nothing's found, so I'll do it later. I have to put in the data. But yeah, so that's going to be a simple one. And then each interview is going to have its own page, so it can, oh yeah, each interview needs its each interview needs its own thumbnail. Yeah. Okay. So that's next. Okay. So before I do my next stream on this, I have to fix the data. I have to download more data, import it into Webflow. I think that's a blocker right now because I'm skipping over a lot of stuff. But yeah, it's coming along nicely. Should be done by Friday, the first pass. And I think that's when Jessica's gonna be like, "Nope, it's shit." You know, I'm scared to show you my work.
I know. Why? Tell them why.
Because you're a stickler for details that I don't see, but your eyes do. Which is a great thing. Alright. I think we're good. Thanks everyone for watching. Got a lot done, but hopefully you learned something today. And I appreciate you all. So see you next time. Probably tomorrow is all about data, so I'm probably going to stream again Friday. See if I can finish it all. But yeah, see you then.